Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we are just gonna jump right into this look that you see here. So I didn't even clean my brows yet, so I'm gonna clean up my brows really fast. If you haven't seen my updated brow routine, you should check it out. You should go and check it out. But I'm just using the Loreal Full Wear concealer, and I clean my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills A4 brush. Alright you guys, so I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. I love using this to prime my eyes. And this, I don't know, this is the shade I'm using, y'all. This is the shade that I'm using. Excuse my nails. Oh, and I got makeup on it. So me personally, I just don't like this concealer underneath my eyes, but I love it as an eyeshadow primer. So just gonna squeeze a good amount all over the lid. I'm gonna blend this out. So now that we have that, I'm gonna take the Morphe 3503 palette. This is what I need, like a wide angle lens because my daughter wrote all over my palette, y'all. So that is what those squiggly lines are. But this is the palette that I will be using. I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills A10 brush. I really love this brush to blend out like transition shades. It's super nice. It's a perfect size. It's fluffy and yeah, it blends really good. So I'm going to take this shade right here, and this will be my transition shade, which means I'm going to try to be super specific and in-depth about everything, because in my last video I cut out a lot of stuff and I got a lot of comments about that. A transition shade is what will sit behind all of your other deeper and darker eyeshadows, you know what I mean, to make everything become one. So that is a transition shade. So next, y'all, I'm gonna take, let me flip it sideways so y'all can see. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna jump into this color right here. It's like a cool tone purple shade, like a brownish purple shade. So I'm gonna take this, focus. I'm gonna take this on a Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 brush. I like this brush too a lot because it's a smaller fluffy brush, so it's perfect to get like right into your crease. Alright you guys, so I'm going to take this matte black shade right here, and I'm just going to place a little bit of this in the outer corner area. I'm going to just use the same brush. I'm going to just tap on it a little bit and just focus this in the outer corner area. I'm going to use this beige eyeshadow from the Profusion Festival palette. Let me get my brush. It's this one right here. I'm going to use this shade because I like this shade better than the one. The one in the Morphe palette is more peachy, and I want one that's like just a plain beige. I'm going to use, I don't know what brush. I think this is the brush from the Lena Lashes collection, in which I'm wearing her lashes. If you guys are wondering, I know y'all want to know. I always get the bomb lashes on. I love her lashes. Like, her lashes are bomb. I'm going to leave the link down in my description box. So I'm going to do my eyeliner. I am going to be using the Essence Super Last Matte Black eyeliner. I'm using this one. You can find this at Ulta for literally like $3. I gotta be this close, and I hope y'all don't mind. I gotta put my mirror up more, but I'm gonna still make sure that y'all can see. So, alright, this is how my eyeliner is looking. I am going to use my NYX glitter primer. Oh, this wing look good. And y'all, the eyeliner dries super fast, as you can see. Like, it dries so quick. So, yeah, you don't have to worry about just like keep your eyes closed so the eyeliner would dry so you won't look up and it's like all up in here. It dries really quick. I'm using a mixture of this Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter, which is in the shade Potion. This is from their Halloween collection, and I'm mixing this with just some straight black chunky glitter. Okay, I'm gonna take my It's My Ray Ray number 9 brush to apply the adhesive. And I'm just gonna pick up the glitter and place it on top. A little bit better. It's just adding a little color because it was just too gray and Alright, I feel like this looks bomb now. I just added a little bit of pink from the Profusion Festival palette. That hot pink right in the middle. Literally right in the middle of the palette. And I just added a little bit in the crease just to give it more color. So for skin, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier foundation primer. This is the oil-free foundation primer. I'm gonna mix these two foundations. I love them both. I feel like when you mix them, you get better coverage and your perfect shade. Okay, you guys, so for my favorite part concealer, I'm gonna grab my favorite NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Caramel, and I always dab a little bit of this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear like right on top. Okay, so next, you guys, I like to use these Covergirl Full Spectrum matte face powders in Deep Cool 2 and in Deep Cool 3 for contouring because the powder is just flawless and it blends really good. So I like using these now to just contour my face. And I'm just looking all over the place because I didn't know where my brush was, and I've been using this small contour brush forever. I got this, I don't even remember. Oh my gosh. This is unacceptable. Just how strong this product is insane. Like the smell, I feel like I sprayed a whole bunch of perfume on my face, but this product, it doesn't break me out and it keeps my makeup super matte, and that is why I use it, because I want my face to be like super matte. But y'all, I warned you, be careful with this. Oh my gosh, please don't get none in your eye. This probably be the last time I use this. I'm gonna grab my Revlon So Fierce eyeliner, and it's in the shade Midnight Mystery. Shade right here that I applied in the crease, and I'm gonna blend this shade out on my lower lash line. Okay, y'all, so I applied a little bit of that black glitter. It's really just in the center of my lower lash line area, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side. So I'm gonna use this Covergirl highlighter. So the gloss is from Wet n Wild. It's their liquid catsuit lipstick in the shade Sin Nudes, which is my favorite nude gloss, you guys, and it's really cheap. So this is the completed look, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love this look and recreate it for the new year. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see y'all in my next video.